What's up guys? This is my first unboxing video. I just bought a $16 smartwatch from Temu. I don't know how it's gonna be like. This is my very first time seeing. This is like my package. Just got it. And yeah, let's see what's gonna be inside. Okay. Has a box inside. This is what it looks like. There's like a little bit of a scuffle there. Must have been smushed on the way here. Yeah, the packaging is pretty okay. Pretty okay packaging for a smartwatch for $16. Let's see. Okay, this is what's inside. I think it's the manual. And then, oh my goodness, this is what's inside. Whoa, did I turn it on right now? Ooh. That's what the watch face looks like. I don't know if you guys can see. Might be a little bit blurry because my webcam doesn't have autofocus yet. That's pretty dope. Screen is actually a very good resolution for the price. Wow. And look guys, it even has like the little bubbles. Like the colorful bubble icon stuff. Oh my gosh, it even moves! Look. It's just like the Apple Watch. That's so cool. Could I scale it up? Oh, you can't. Can you? You can scale it. Oh my god, guys. You can scale it backwards and you can make it go bigger. There's like a little bit of a lag, but still, it's pretty impressive. Let me try this. Oh, it retracts. It goes back to the original size. If you let go, it goes back to the original size. So that's how it works. So if you turn it one way, it zooms out automatically and just zooms back in. That's really cool. Wow, this is amazing. I don't know how they made this for $16. I honestly do not know. And then I believe this is a charger. I've never really owned much smartwatches or used them much, so like please correct me if I'm wrong, guys. And this is like the wristband. And let me try like putting it all together. My first time using a good smartwatch like this. Just slides in. Should be magnetic, I think. I'm not sure. There we go. I think that's how I put it on. I am not sure. The one at least $16. Oh, nice. Okay, I think I got it to work. Yeah, so yeah, it's just like a bunch. And they even have a home button. If you press this, it takes you to the home screen. And then this button will take you to the apps screen. And then you can zoom out and zoom in. And then you can go to settings. And then they even have a calculator. They even have the calculator app. And they even have messaging, I think. I think you can like link your message. This is really cool. Yeah, color me impressed, guys. This is a really good deal. I really think it's worth like the $16. And keep in mind that there is a wait time, so most likely you're gonna wait probably 2 weeks for that order to arrive. Like a week to 2 weeks, I believe. Because I ordered this a while back, like maybe like 2 to 3 weeks ago. I ordered it, so like just keep in mind the time it takes to ship it. Um, but yeah, it's a really good product for the price point. It's really good, and I might look into buying more stuff from Temu. I need to like look into like how they manufacture it. I want to make sure that it's like not that they're not like paying people pennies and exploitation and all these things. So like I need to be careful with that stuff and I need to do my research on it. I think it's a decent product. It's a great value actually, and I will probably continue shopping on Temu more often. So there you have it, guys. This is my unboxing for my $16 smartwatch. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos coming soon, okay, guys? Alright, awesome. Boom.